Hello, sports fans. I just listened to a San Francisco Giants game. First time I've heard them win, but evidently they beat the San Diego, the Padres. I think they may be San Diego. First time winners. So interesting. KNBR San Francisco. If you want to try and listen to them. Now the job is to try and get these stumps out of here without a chainsaw. So I. If you had the time, you could do it with one of those. Now this is the DeWalt 240 mil HCS. It's a SCREWFIX. 5 of them for $12.99 or something. It's DT 2352 HCS. Now one blade yesterday took 2 of these out, and I want to say it took about maybe 10-15 minutes, something like that. Which makes it doable. I've gone about an inch into it already in just that quick time. It rips it. Now what you do is I find out you're clenching your muscles when you don't need to. This has got a button on here that locks it on. So you're not having to hold on to that handle really tight. You need to keep a fairly firm, ready to grab it grip. And that was the number 5. One of them happened to go up on 6. Okay, I'm sure you don't really want to watch me doing that, but that's the point there. Now, a couple other things. I got the new, how do you say it? Olfa. The new Olfa blade. Now this one has got the adjustable, where is it? Not adjustable, but the lock on it. Now I didn't have too much problem with the other one sliding up compared to the Stanley knife. But with that on there now, you got, it's nice, it's lovely. And then just one last little thing. This is this one I think was a little bit more expensive because of the color. Maybe $1.99, but God, well, the other ones are only £1. I can't remember now, but I get these 3-meter tapes. Look at this. It stays out. You don't have to press the button and it comes back in. And it's all metric. If you're using metric, why do you want a tape measure that's got 1/2 inches on it and 1/2 metric? Half of the tape is useless. So get yourself a metric if you're dealing with metric. A lot easier on life. Okay, so hopefully that was a good enough video to see. I can put it on this other side a little bit. Show it digging into there. I wonder if I should just put a new blade on there now. Even though that one's cutting pretty good, a new blade might make it a little bit quicker, because the guy's paying for my time, and the blades are fairly cheap. But I don't know. We'll see what happens.